Hello friends, welcome back. Today we are back with an easiest and simplest sweet dish, kud pies. This is a Konkani style dry payasam which is made with leftover rice. So let's see how to make this simple dish. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it to get the latest updates from us. To make the kud pies, we need 1 cup of leftover rice. Here I have used basmati rice. You can use any rice of your choice. Quarter cup coconut grating, half a cup of jaggery, few coconut pieces, cashew, raisins for garnish, 2 to 3 cardamom pods and a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of ghee. To start with, in a kadai, when it is preheated, add ghee. Add cashew, raisins and coconut pieces and cook until they turn golden brown. Once the dry fruits have turned golden brown, add water. Here I have added half a cup of water. Once the water starts boiling, add jaggery and mix well. Add cardamom and salt and mix well. Allow the mixture to cook for some time. Add the cooked rice and mix everything well. Once the pies is half done, add the grated coconut. Add ghee and cook until the water completely evaporates. Now our kud pies is ready to serve. I hope you like this simple recipe. If you like our video, do not forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. There are few more videos on your screen. Do click and enjoy them as well. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Keep smiling and do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.